Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to replace the oil in the rear differential from any Volkswagen Passat B5.5 4MOTION. So even if you don't have a car like this one, if you have any other car which is all-wheel drive, you'll have to replace the rear differential oil from time to time. So the video which I'm going to show you all today, it's working for almost any car out there. The method is exactly the same. So as you can see, I already started to do some maintenance on this car. I'm done with replacing the CV axle from the rear side, and now I have to replace the rear shock absorber and also the front shock absorber on this car, because as you can see, the owner have some sports shock absorbers and they are not very comfortable, and he decided to install some original ones made by factory. And as you can see, this is how everything is looking so far, but from here I will show you all how to replace the oil in the rear differential on this car. So to begin this job, you'll have to take something to catch the oil from the differential, because you don't want to spill it on the ground. And after that, you have to use a tool like this one, because this is the tool which you'll have to use if you want to remove the drain plug and the filling plug from the rear differential, or from the gearbox, or from any other differential either made by Volkswagen. And as you can see, right here, this is the rear differential on this car, and the filling plug is this one right here, underneath this aluminum cover. You'll have to remove also this aluminum cover, because otherwise you won't be able to have access to the filling plug. And right here, a little bit forward, this is the drain plug from the rear differential. You'll have to put your tool inside it, like I'm doing right here, and you'll have to undo it and remove the drain plug. And after that, the oil will start leaking from the rear differential. To remove this aluminum cover, you'll have to remove those 3 screws which are securing it mounted to the rear differential, and after that you'll have to remove it completely out, you'll have to put it away, and you'll have more access to work with the filling plug and with the rear differential on this car. Right here, as you can see, I have this paid website where it's telling me exactly how much oil I have to put in any differential in any car, for example. And as you can see, the front gearbox is taking 2.3 liters of oil. After that, the front differential is taking 0.8 liters of oil, and as you can see, the rear differential is taking 1.5 liters of oil. So all of these specs are working for this car, but probably if you have any other car, or if you have any other engine size or any other type of engine, the informations will be different from car to car. So you don't have to do exactly how I'm doing in this video, because if you don't have a car like this one, this method it's not going to work for you. So alright everybody, so with all of these things being said, it's time for me to show you all how to remove the rear differential oil on this kind of car. So the first thing which you have to do is to remove the aluminum cover. You have to remove the 3 screws which are securing it mounted in place. After that, you have to remove the filling plug first, and then you have to remove the drain plug, the second one. Because if you, for example, don't remove the filling plug and you only remove the drain plug, probably the filling plug will be stuck and you won't be able to remove it, and in this way the oil will be already gone from the gearbox or from the differential, and you won't be able to refuel it back. So I recommend you always remove the filling plug first, and then you'll have to remove the drain plug. So from here, just follow what I'm doing. I'll have to remove the oil, I'll have to put the new oil into my special pump made for this, and then I have to pump it back, and until I will see that the oil is leaking from the filling plug. This is meaning that the differential is full with oil and the job is almost done. Okay everybody, so until the oil will completely leak out, I have to show you, this is the special tool which I'm going to use for this car and for any other car. This is a special tool made to help you to refuel any gearbox or any differential with brand new oil. This is working with comprimed air. There will be different ones on the internet which you can buy, and for example there are different ones which you can pump to create pressure, and they will push the oil back into the gearbox or into the whatever thing you work. But for example in my case, this tool it's only working with comprimed air. So as you can see right here, this is the brand new oil. I will have to refuel this tool with all the oil which I'm going to put on this car, because I will also have to replace the gearbox oil and the front differential oil, and this is the exact oil which is working for the car. The oil is exactly the same in the front and in the rear, so you don't have to worry about anything being different. In my case, I'm going to show you all in today's episode only how to replace it on the rear side, because I don't have enough time to film it in the front and also on the front differential. But the method is exactly the same like on the rear differential. And as you can see, I refueled the tool with brand new oil. This is how everything is looking. From here I'm going to put the cap over the tool and I'm going to pump it back in the rear differential. Alright everybody, so as you can see, the oil is drained completely from the rear differential. Now I'll have to put the drain plug back over it. I'll have to tighten it until I think that is not going in anymore, and then I'll have to refuel it with brand new oil. Okay, the drain plug is tight, and from here I'll have to put the special hose, and I'll have to put it into the filling hole, and in this way I will be able to refuel the differential with brand new oil. Alright everybody, so I'm almost done with replacing the rear differential oil on this car, and as you can see, just look closely on the filling plug. The oil is starting to leak out from the differential, and this is meaning that the rear differential is full with oil. From here I can stop whatever thing I'm doing, and I have to remove the hose because the oil is full, the differential is full with brand new oil, and even if I want to put more oil, I won't be able to put because it will come out from the filling plug, and this is special made to help you to install exactly the correct amount of oil on any gearbox or on any differential on this kind of cars. And as you can see, the oil starts leaking. Now I can put the filling plug back on the differential, and from here I have to tighten it, and that's it. After that, don't forget to put the aluminum cover back on the mounting support from the rear differential, and you're good to go. So as you can see, this is how to replace the rear differential oil on a Volkswagen Passat B5.5 4MOTION. But like I told you at the beginning of this video, this method is working for almost any car. Doesn't matter if you have a Ford or if you have a Volkswagen Passat B7 or B6 or an older model. This is exactly how you have to do it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and found it informative, please leave a like and comment down below. See you next time.